Benefits of using cooking olive oil on hair.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the benefits of using cooking olive oil on hair. Olive oil has been used for centuries in culinary practices, but did you know that it can also work wonders for your hair? In this video, we'll explore the various benefits of incorporating cooking olive oil into your hair care routine. So, let's get started.
Nourishment and moisture.
One of the key benefits of using cooking olive oil on your hair is its ability to nourish and moisturize your strands. Olive oil is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can penetrate the hair shaft and provide deep hydration. This moisture helps to combat dryness, frizz, and brittleness, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and more manageable.
Strength and protection.
Another advantage of using olive oil on your hair is its potential to promote strength and protection. The nutrients present in olive oil, such as vitamin E and fatty acids, help to strengthen the hair follicles and protect them from damage caused by environmental stressors. Additionally, the antioxidants in olive oil can help to prevent oxidative damage, which can contribute to hair breakage and loss.
Scalp health.
Using cooking olive oil on your hair can also have positive effects on your scalp health. Olive oil has moisturizing properties that can help to soothe a dry and itchy scalp. It can also help to regulate sebum production, which is the natural oil produced by the scalp. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with dandruff or an oily scalp, as olive oil can help balance the scalp's oil levels.
Hair growth and thickness.
If you're looking to promote hair growth and thickness, cooking olive oil can be a great addition to your hair care routine. The nourishing properties of olive oil, combined with its ability to improve blood circulation, can stimulate hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. It can also contribute to thicker, fuller-looking hair by providing essential nutrients to the hair shaft. In conclusion, using cooking olive oil on your hair can offer a range of benefits. From providing nourishment and moisture to promoting strength and protection, olive oil can be a versatile and natural addition to your hair care routine. Remember to use extra virgin or cold-pressed olive oil for the best results. We hope you found this video informative and that you'll consider incorporating cooking olive oil into your hair care regimen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.